Hi, I'm Justin. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to fix my windshield wiper blades on this truck here that I call my big truck. So let me show you what's going on. So when I turn the windshield wipers on, you'll see it kind of gets hung up. Then you have to kind of assist it. So we are going to fix that today. Also, today is January 30th. It's currently 14 degrees outside Fahrenheit, and that sun feels pretty good, I must admit. Let me get you guys in a position where you can watch me do this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get these plastic rivets out of here. Not sure what that sound is, but okay. No, I'm just gonna be honest, I don't even know what the heck you would call this. Some sort of shroud. Not even sure. But it's all busted and broke, and yeah, kind of is what it is. Should be our last one. Our next step is we got to take the wiper off. So just fold the wiper up, pull the latch, and then it comes right off. Now you kind of want to know where your wiper needs to sit. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to mark it. But anyway, that's how you get my style wipers off. It just sits on like a, I don't even know what you would call that. There we go. Now while the hood's still down, I take the shroud off. And I only have one screw holding this in, unfortunately. I do have a couple here, but we're not doing anything. And then that's loose, so when we open the hood back up, that should just slide right out of there. Now we do have to take this section off because we have to get that. This is something that I want to replace. Probably in the springtime. Probably have to go to like a junkyard, or might be able to order something online. I don't want to take my antenna off and all that stuff just to get this shroud out, so I'm just going to lift it up just so I can unbolt this part here where the wiper hooks to, because you need to get this whole entire mechanism out. Now I did kind of take half of this apart yesterday just to kind of see. I actually tried, I thought maybe I could just repair the motor, but Alright. So unfortunately, this is the easiest way to change this motor out from the research that I have done. But what we need to do is unhook the plug here. Looks like somebody's already been in here. They broke off the actual tab part that you would press or squeeze to unhook the plug. Slide that off there. There we go. Alright, so the wire will stay. We're going to take this whole thing inside where it's warm, where we can put the new motor on. Alright, this should all come off. And that is the old motor. So we do get a new plastic shroud. And it looks to be this is a bigger size. Take that off. Actually just leave that right on there. So now this should just bolt right up. Alright, put our arm back on. We'll use the new screw that they provided. We just want to get that mark. That's kind of where we were. Alright, let's go put it on the truck now. It's a little bit of a challenge to get that back in there. Alright, what I want to do now is just set this plastic shroud somewhat back into position, but I'm not going to screw it down. Because I want to see and make sure that this actually fixed our problem. All right. Wiper check. But yeah, that was a quick, easy fix for the wipers. Now I could be out in the rain and not have to worry about my wipers not working. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't, dropping a like, and we will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.